all you have to do. Come over to this platform here, sign up to the website by entering in all of your details, and get paid. It's literally as easy as that. Today, I have a very unique strategy to share with you. I have not one, but two softwares to show you today that will literally do all of the work for you and allow you to make money online, but without doing any work whatsoever. And if you were wondering, this does indeed work worldwide. And no, you do not need to be some expert with special skills in order to make this work. This is perfect for beginners. So if you want to start getting paid online, make sure you keep watching. And with all of that said, let's now get right into the video, guys. As you have all heard, today I have two softwares to share with you that will literally do the work for you. When I'm creating these types of videos, I normally only share one, but today I'll show you two kinds of jobs you can do online that normally require skills, but thanks to the two programs I will show you, you don't need any skills to make this work. And more importantly, you won't be doing any work itself whatsoever. So make sure you keep watching so you don't miss out on either of them. Before we get to the two tools I have for you, I need you guys to come over to one or all of the following platforms: Fiverr.com, PeoplePerHour.com, and Guru.com. As many of you know, these are only a handful of freelancing platforms you can use. So if you know another one that you think is good and isn't competitive, then you can for sure use that. You don't need to use these three in particular. For those of you who perhaps don't know, a freelancing website is a place where you can find freelancers, or people who are self-employed and who are skilled, who can do various kinds of jobs. For example, you can come onto Fiverr and find someone to design something for you. You can find someone who would be an affiliate marketing consultant for you and who would help you make money online through affiliate marketing. You can find people who will manage your social media, and so on. These are only a handful of services offered by freelancers on these websites. What I need you guys to do now on these platforms is sign up to all of them. Once again, you can go to some other ones if you wish, but your goal stays the same: create accounts. And since the sign-up process is similar for all of these, I'll just be using People Per Hour as an example here. To sign up to this platform, and probably all the other ones, you'll want to first click on the Sign Up button here. On the following page, they'll ask you whether or not you want to work as a freelancer on here. And since you aren't here to spend any money or pay anyone, you want to click on I want to work as a freelancer. And then choose how you want to sign up. Either via email, where you will have to enter in a bunch of your info, like your email address, password, full name, and so on, or you can sign up via Facebook, which is my recommendation because it's so much faster. However you want to do it, you want to sign up to the freelancing websites I've shown you and create accounts. This is because you will want to work as a freelancer indeed, and there is no shortage of benefits in doing so. You won't have to listen to a boss, you won't have to give away most of your income to your boss or the company you're working for. You're self-employed and work whenever you feel like it. These are only some of the benefits of working as a freelancer on these platforms. But to work as a freelancer, you do of course need skills. And I'll now show you the two services that you will want to offer on these platforms. And you will not have to do any of the work whatsoever thanks to the tools I will show you later on. The first service you will want to offer is article writing. And the main reason you want to, apart from the fact that I have a bot to do the work for you, is this: people who write articles make a lot of money online. It's as simple as that. For example, take a look at this person here I found on Fiverr. They are charging $45 at a bare minimum for article writing, and they have 120 reviews. So if you only count the reviews as purchases, which is not the case because most people don't leave reviews, and if you count that all of the customers bought the cheapest package, once again, which is not the case, we'd still be talking about like $5,400 made. And this is literally being as conservative as one can be. The amount of money made is most likely much higher. And it's not just on Fiverr that people are making tons of money. This person I found on People Per Hour is charging $55 and has had 200 reviews thus far, which is around $10,000 made. That's a lot indeed. It just goes to show you how much potential this has. And the funny part is that this person isn't the one who has made the most money that I managed to find. This person here is charging $35 but has had nearly 800 sales. That is close to $30,000 made writing articles. So the potential here to make big money online is huge. And do keep in mind that unlike on Fiverr, as you can see on people per hour, there aren't that many people offering to write articles, meaning that the competition is relatively low. So you will be able to make money writing those articles on this site most definitely. And you would be able to do that thanks to this tool here called Article Generator. Go over to articlegenerator.org and you will be able to access this tool. And believe it or not, this will literally generate professional articles for you in seconds. All you have to do is type a keyword in this box. What you will type in here depends on your customer, of course. In my case, just as an example, I typed in fitness, and check this out. I got 3 articles written for me in mere seconds, something that could take other people hours and hours to write themselves. It's literally insane. And you can all test this out just like I did, and you'll find that it works just as well for you as it did for me. With that being said, there is a catch with this platform. If you want unique articles, or articles with which you won't have copyright issues, you need to pay them. And before you all freak out, just take a look at the pricing here. With £4 a month, which I think is around $5, you can access this tool and have it generate articles for you within seconds. And as you all remember from before, those people were making thousands of dollars writing articles. So investing $5 on a monthly basis doesn't sound that bad now, does it? Of course, you don't have to do this. So in case some of you want to do this for free, what you can do is use this tool to write articles for you, articles that are of course not unique, and you can then use a software called quillbot.com to rewrite them yourself. And I would actually recommend doing this for the first few customers. Even though Quillbot isn't as good at rewriting articles as this platform here, it will get the job done. And what you can do is make a bit of money from your first few customers and only then invest it into this tool. In this way, you'll be able to make money but without investing any of your own money up front, rather just giving out a portion of your profit. The second service you can offer, in my opinion, guys, is a far better option, and that is doing voiceovers for people. Main reason being that you can make much more money online doing voiceovers than writing articles. Simply put, voice actors are always required for whatever, either YouTube videos, advertisements, and so on. There is no shortage of customers you will have if you work as a voice actor. However, if you want to work as a voice actor, you need a good voice, of course. So how can you do it? Well, through the use of this software here. To access it, just click on that first link down in the description. This will generate you a voiceover that does not sound robotic in any way, shape, or form. And if that wasn't enough, you can see right here that they have a bunch of options you can choose from. You can use a male voice, a female voice, a kid's voice if you want to, and you can choose here whether or not you want the voice to sound robotic or not. When you choose what you want, all you have to do is paste a script in this box, which you will receive from your customers, of course. Click on Generate Voiceover, and this will generate that voice for you. You can then download the file and send it over to your customer. You would literally be able to complete a voiceover within a couple of minutes and get paid like $50 or so for the couple minutes worth of work. It's as easy as that. The flaw with offering voiceovers, though, is that this tool is not free, so you do have to pay for it. Unlike with the first service you can offer, there is no free method by doing this. But the big upside here, though, is that you can make much more money doing voiceovers for people. So if some of you are interested in trying this out, and I do recommend it a lot, it's once again the first link down below.